oak Acorn Gumball capsule machine from the late 60s. It's made of all metal base, chrome crank and door. Has 3 plexiglass panels, stainless steel edges, and a metal top. There's no tumbler in the key, so it just can be removed with a screwdriver. Don't have to worry about losing the key. You just twist it out. This works with 25 cents. We'll take a look at in working condition here. Take a quick look around. The plexiglass is in very good shape. The inside could use some cleaning. There are some wear marks on the paint edges, but overall it's in nice shiny condition. Let's go ahead and take the top off. Again, the lock comes out. There's no tumbler inside. Just lid comes off. This piece flips up for easy access to the coins, and you can see the crank's in good shape. That mechanism's in good shape. Fits tightly. We'll add some gumballs. You can see these are about 1-inch capsule areas, so I'm just going to add some tiny, probably 1/4-inch gumballs. So it's mainly meant for capsules, but we'll see it work here. Put a 1/4 in and see if we can get these to bend. Yep, all 4 of them did come down. So you get at least 4 little gumballs for 25 cents. Again, those looks like about 1 inch in diameter for larger capsules. Take a look at the bottom. Again, the change is quite easy to get out. And then you just thread this back on. The top back on with the lock. Well, this is about a 40-year-old machine, maybe more, so it does have some marks of use, but it is in working condition. It looks good. It's a classic machine. Please bid on it and make it your own. As a glance at the bottom. Back and other side. Thanks very much for looking. Bye.